Yes.
Who am I here with?
Alexander.
And what's your position on the team?
I'm a CAD sub-lead.
Can you talk about what's changed about the intake over the past couple weeks?
Yeah, so mainly over the last couple of weeks I've been working on the intake plates, so like figuring out how to mount them to the drive rails on the side of the robot. Also figuring out the geometry for the pivot, so we have like one side which controls the pivot, that's one motor, and the other side is the powertrain, so that's another motor, and then that powers the rollers on it. So yeah, just figuring out all the geometry for that, getting all the plates CAD'ed, shafts, everything. So right now we have basically a full assembly, so I'd say it's pretty much complete. Just a couple finishing touches I'd say we have to make, but yeah. So I'd say we're in a good place with that now.
Perfect, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Who am I here with?
Zoe.
And what's your position on the team?
I'm a CAD sub-lead.
Can you talk about what's changed from the shooter since the last time we spoke?
Yeah, so we've gone through a few iterations of the hood. We started out with a telescoping mechanism, but now we're doing a finger joint situation, and we hope that we finish it soon.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Who am I here with?
Jamie.
And what's your position on the team?
I am on the CAD team.
And can you talk about what's changed from the spin Dexter since the last time we spoke?
So we've been doing a lot of changes with the spin Dexter recently. Our biggest change has been what we call the twirly gig. And so that is, the technical name for it is a coaxial reversing gearbox. And the way it works is you essentially have a hub on the bottom, which is your main kind of, whatever spin Dexter with the brush hub that we've been running before that twirls around this way. And then now on the top, we have brushes that are vectored downward and they spin the other way with this reversing gearbox, and so that has kind of caused a big breakthrough for us. Our spin Dexter's really kind of come into form, and our balls per second has gone up a lot, so looking pretty good.
Perfect, thank you so much. Who am I here with?
Alex.
And what's your position on the team?
I'm the electrical lead and also a programmer.
Can you talk about what programming's been doing over the past couple weeks?
So first we got auto simulations up and running. Then we also started working on the shooter math and built some tables for the shooting calibrations. And then we also got started on the core robot logic.
Perfect, thank you.